Even takeaway is a big innovation at Zen. It's not something we were prepared for, but once the circuit breaker was announced, governments gave us the regulations that we couldn't have dine-in guests. We had to adapt. My name's Tristan Farmer. I'm the executive chef here at Restaurant Zen in Singapore. We are the sister restaurant to Fransen in Stockholm. The menus are different, but we want the guest journey to feel like a Fransen restaurant. The biggest part of what we do is how we are socially interactive with the guests. We want it to be lots of energy, lots of personality in the restaurant. So every day we cook the best products, we smile, we laugh, we joke, we interact, so it's more fun than anything. Businesses across the world have moved into using sort of online platform. Unfortunately, restaurants can't. We've had to completely change our operation. We were sort of 25 staff. We were only open 5 days a week. We've had to adapt where we can only have 10 members of staff in the building at once. We're now 7 days a week. We're a completely different service. We're challenging ourselves to cook everything a la minute. Still have our philosophy in the food and the freshness and the energy in the food, but sort of trying to translate that into takeaways. When we started our takeaways, we're doing 1 or 2 drop-offs per day. As we got busier, we couldn't keep up with the demand. And I had a chef friend reach out to me and said there was a group of comfort taxis, so like local taxi service. They were obviously struggling to make a living. We created a WhatsApp group. There's around about 15 drivers. Every time we get a delivery, we send it to the group, and any driver that's available will come in and pick it up. But they actually deliver it to the door. So we're getting that personal service as well, supporting them because they're still in work also. It's nice to build that relationship and support the community and sort of do our bit. I'd say the biggest positive change we've had is our team, really. The team has handled that so well. They've learned how to adapt. They come in and they're so positive. It inspires me to come to work every day. In May we hosted our very first Zoom session. We wanted to do something that's quite interactive and quite fun for the guests at home, and there's been a lot of demand for it, and we look like we might implement some more in the future. I think everyone wants to eat rather. It's a little bit educational for the guests, it's a little bit fun, it's going to be light-hearted, where the guests can enjoy their food and sort of listen to a little talk. And it brings a bit of stimulation to takeaway, because the guests miss restaurants. Everyone misses social interaction, so to be able to interact with the restaurant team via technology is amazing. You go to restaurants and everyone enjoys, and no one really thinks about all the work that's behind it or the teams, and suddenly when that's taken away, I think there's a bigger appreciation for everyone and restaurants in general. In Singapore, it's a very close community of chefs now, where we're sharing recipes and we're doing virtual forehands and sort of passing on positivity. I think it's a good thing. Thank you for joining us. Cheers, I think this has certainly brought us all closer together.